Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Nissan Navara RX dual cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5694. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23 DDT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. YS23 DDT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror in chrome, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right front door, two small dents. Right power door mirror in chrome, one large dent on the right guard, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.